In this video, we're going to take a look at how to set up our Schoology course gradebook and then copy course information into your college and career readiness course, which has been newly created for you and your homeroom students. So if you go ahead and you open up your Schoology, I suggest clicking on your course dashboard. In your course dashboard, you're going to see two new courses added. The first one is your CCR course, High School Facilitators. Everyone's been added as an admin in this course so that you can take the information in this course and copy it into your college and career readiness course, which is where your homeroom students will be enrolled in and where you will do your artifact checking and portfolio checking. Go ahead and open up your college and career readiness course, and we're going to set up our gradebook. So click Grade Setup. From Grade Setup, you're going to go up to the top of your screen where you see categories, and to the right, click the Add button and type in category name Assignments. It's important that you have that S included and that it's typed just as shown. The rest is total points, drop the lowest 0, click Create. And then if you scroll down, you'll see that you'll be having this course from marking period 1 through 4. The gradebook is numeric, and that you need to have checked round period/final grades. Everything else can remain unchecked, and click Save Changes. You should see assignments created underneath your category. And now you're going to go back to your CCR course, High School Facilitators. And in this course, you're going to see folders broken down into grades, 9th, 10th, and 11th. You're going to select the grade that matches your homeroom. So if you have a 9th grade homeroom, you're going to select 9th grade folder. All of the folders look the same, but some of the information in them is slightly different depending on the grade level of your students. Open the 9th grade folder, and you'll see to the right of each folder is a gearbox that you're going to hit Copy to Courses, select your College and Career Readiness course, folder is None, and copy the folder, copy folder, and you're going to repeat these steps for artifact submission and career plan submission. Once you have finished copying all of those folders, you can go back to your course dashboard, select your College and Career Readiness course, and just double check that everything has been copied. The last thing you want to check is that underneath Artifact Submissions, if you open one of the assignments using the gearbox and clicking Edit, you'll see that the word category Assignments has transferred. If it hasn't, that means you have copied the word down incorrectly, and then that your period and your points are showing. All of that should have copied for the rest of your assignments.